Hey, how's it? It's Austin. Today is May 31st, 2019. This is lab 7 for DC circuits. And we have a large circuit here with multiple components. On our potentiometer side, we have our photoresistor, the potentiometer, about 3.3 volts running through there from the Arduino. That brown and white wire that has the 3.3 volts go through the potentiometer. That loops through the photoresistor over there. And then the transistor is tucked away right there. So this is a NPN transistor configuration. The white wire is the collector side. The blue wire is the emitter side. And if we follow the white one, it leads us to the other side of our circuit. So this is going to be the circuit pretty much with the relay on it and the LEDs. So it's kind of hard to see, but there's multiple different colored wires. The red is hooked up to the main power, which is actually a 9-volt battery over there. Black is grounded. The yellow is a signal pin for the relay. Blue is ground for the relay. Orange is power for the relay. And these other clips are our meter hooked up. So as we can see, the relay, blue for ground, yellow for signal, and orange for power for the relay. And on the output of the relay, we have two states, so normally closed or normally open. Orange is the common wire. That's just going back to the 5 volt over there. So the blue one should be a normally closed state, and that's hooked up to our red LED. And then the green one is normally open. That's hooked up to our green LED. And then after that, they're both grounded, tied down with a resistor at the end right there. It's 560 ohms. So with this circuit, we're able to adjust resistance on the fly with the potentiometer. And we can also cover the photoresistor to adjust resistance. And that way, it'll cycle between, the transistor will cycle, keeping the relay on or off. So right now, our relay is on. I marked it with the green LED over there, green for on. And we're reading at about 4.45 volts going to the relay right now. But if we increase the potentiometer, it should shut off the relay. The transistor will shut off power to the relay. So as we increase the potentiometer, you notice the voltage going down, and then the red LED comes on when the relay has been shut off. And we're reading about 3.3-ish volts. We can also do the same test just by covering the photoresistor with our finger. So let's turn the relay back on. Green LED's back on. We're reading about 4.4 volts again. And then we can cover the LED right there, or the photoresistor, and then the red LED came on. And we're back down to about 3.57 volts. Release our finger, and it requires a little bit more voltage to kickstart it at the relay state. So we're going to decrease the resistance. And green LED is back on again, back up to 4.5. Let's try it again. Alright, relay's off, red LED's on. Release, green LED came back on, and back up to 4.3 volts. Okay, that's it. Thanks.